Are you trying to figure out how to transfer MP3 files to iPod? Are you skeptical about trying any method that you have come across? In fear that your files will be damaged? The following 3 methods have stood out from the crowd, due to not failing to impress in any MP3 to iPod transfer. Way 1. How to transfer MP3 to iPod with iTunes. Open iTunes and go to File, Add Folder or File to Library. Click View Show Sidebar to display the sidebar. Connect your iPod to your computer. Select your iPod and go to the Music tab. Enable Sync Music and choose the songs you want. Way 2. How to transfer MP3 to iPod from PC. One method that is being loved by many to transfer MP3 to iPod from PC is the one and only iOS transfer. This method has garnered a loyal following due to it not implementing restrictions regarding the music file formats that you can transfer. Way 3. How to transfer MP3 files to iPod with MediaMonkey. You can also download to MP3 to iPod using MediaMonkey. The MediaMonkey is a method that has been garnering significant buzz on different online platforms. It has been proven to function just as you would envision.